folks, I'm so happy to be back on the farm. So I got back and I just had to build something. I built another garden bed today, and this one I actually built out of redwood. So redwood is actually a really nice wood to work with. It's a little bit soft, sort of like a hard pine, not real hard, um, but it definitely really looks great. Let's take a closer look. So this is built just like the other garden beds I've made. It's really the same style, same size and everything. But someone wanted one built out of redwood, so I said, well, sure, I can do that. I've actually been thinking about it, but I just haven't done it because of the cost. So if you are thinking about building one of my garden beds, this is something to consider. I would highly recommend the redwood. It's going to hold up a little bit nicer, and it'll age a little bit nicer than the pressure treated lumberwood, but it does cost about 30% more. So just a quick shout out there. Happy Saturday.